Musician heartbroken over Masipala betrayal. Ubani loyo ko? Ali Mfwamgube. Sekhumbula-ke ividiyo into encane ehamba no-Ali Mfwamgube bekhalaza ngokuthi umasipala-ke umvoti obathembisile, especially uMgube omthembisile ukuthi uzomxhasa emcimbini thizeni. Kuyabe sekusondela umcimbi, sekusele less than a week sebethe banayo ibudget. So inkinga-ke iyo le yaba khona. So sifunde udaba-ke, sibheke ukuthi lihamba kanjani. Ithini-ke le ndawo uthi musician Ali igeza lakaMgube is still fuming after his local municipality dumped him at the 11th hour. The 52-year-old singer from Greater in the KZN Midlands claimed that Umvoti municipality promised to sponsor his inaugural festival, Igeza Winter Experience, which would have been held in his hometown, but pulled the plug just 4 days before the event. The musician, who has been in the industry for 25 years, had organized the event for Saturday, 11 July. He said he had high hopes that the municipality would sponsor the event as per their agreement, especially as it was going to boost the economy in the Dust Village. But he was heartbroken when he was notified 4 days before the event that his sponsorship had been declined. Ali said what the municipality did left him devastated. It was difficult to host this event because it was my first time organizing something of this magnitude. I applied for sponsorship from my local municipality and they promised to sponsor me, but the municipality declined my sponsorship application 4 days before the festival, he said. It hurt me deeply because as musicians, we hope our local municipality will sponsor us when we are doing something for our residents. Them dumping me at the last minute was hurtful. I nearly fainted. Ali said he wishes municipality leaders would do more to accommodate local musicians. I wish they could think about residents who are voters as we approach the local elections. These leaders will want votes from these same residents, but they decline us when we bring entertainment to them. Daily Sun contacted Umvoti Mayor Zamani Malembe, but he was in a council meeting and referred question to one of his office workers. Speaking on behalf of the mayor, office worker who asked not to be named told Daily Sun the municipality was ready to sponsor Ali's event, but withdrew after learning he was selling tickets. The municipality was going to sponsor the event if the entrance was free of charge, because then residents would benefit directly. We then learned that the event was selling tickets and the organizer would make a profit sponsored by the municipality, while the resident didn't benefit. Another factor was that I applied for an event that was going to take place in June as we were ending our financial year, but later changed it to July when we were starting the new financial year. The municipality manager notified him about the reasons his sponsorship was declined. He said, yeah, isho kanjalo-ke indaba-ke laphana-ke eka-Ali Mgube igeza banike uthini umunicipality usucula elinye iculo manje kuleko kade bekhulume ngapho ukuthi bazomxhasa-ke laphana Ali Mgube kwi-event bekuzobe ngiyokuqala ngqa enziwa wuye-ke uMgube ethi Igeza Winter Experience bizoba kuphike khona-ke emakhaya. Kwagcina-ke kungenzekalanga lokho okumphatheka kakhulu-ke uMgube-ke ukuthi bemthindiseke, but-ke izathu ey'bekwa umasipala ukuthi bathole ukuthi umcimbi kaMgube uyadayisa amathikithi. Lokho kwenza ukuthi-ke na bekwazi ukuyimela if bedayisa amathikithi, therefore umasipala akakwazanga umxhasa, because if abantu bezongena mahhala then umasipala buzomxhasa. Sekungama-plan nje leyo enziwa umasipala lento abayikhulumayo sengakusho nje kucaca ukuthi into engekho nje bahubhuza amanga phejana. Omasipala abona izimpi zabo-ke bayazazi-ke izinto abayilwayo, but-ke sebeyabona-ke no-Ali Mgube ukuthi-ke yini abantu izinto abahlala bekhala ngazo. Sebeyayifila-ke lento ukuthi abantu base-South Africa bazizwa kanjani uma omasipala or ugovernment engadelive. So asisho ukuthi besupport-eke izinto abantu be-South Africa abakhala ngazo, kodwa sekukuveza nje ukuthi i-frustration sebeyayibona-ke ukuthi yena ihamba kanjani-ke, yini esuke icasula abantu. Kodwa-ke kuzwakala ukuthi-ke wagcina engathi usizakele ngandlela thize uMgube, nabo abantekisi bagcina bexhasa indlela baxhasa ngayo lapha kuhlwe khona-ke ini umasipala. Kodwa-ke kuyobona kathi ngokuzayo-ke ukuhlela kwezinto kuyohamba kanjani. If bethi uMgube bedayisa amathikithi kanti umcimbi uzo-operate kanjani. So omasipala nabo bayayidla nje imbomba-ke, ayikho indaba yabo. Sahle ngazothi bekuyilokho ebifuna ukubheka njengamanje, kodwa banakuzayo khona la kwi-channel yenu ku-Indofire Soweto TV.